Ever tried event.persist in React and wondered why it exists? That's because React doesn't give you real browser events. Let's talk about synthetic events. A synthetic event is React's cross-browser wrapper around the browser's native DOM event. When you click a button or type in an input, the browser fires a native event. React intercepts it, wraps it in a synthetic event object, and passes that to your event handler instead. This wrapper sits between your code and the browser, giving React full control over event behavior. Why does React do this? Different browsers implement events differently. Internet Explorer might name a property one way, Chrome another. Synthetic event provides a consistent API regardless of which browser your users have. Properties like target, current target, and methods like stop propagation work identically everywhere, following the W3C specification. In React 16 and earlier, synthetic events were pooled for performance. React would reuse the same event object for multiple events, nullifying properties after your handler ran. That's why you needed event.persist to keep it around. Good news. React 17 removed event pooling entirely. Modern React doesn't reuse events, so you can use them in async code without calling persist. Sometimes you need the actual browser event for advanced use cases like measuring scroll position or accessing browser-specific properties. Just use event.native event. This gives you direct access to the underlying DOM event while still keeping React's synthetic wrapper for everyday tasks. Remember, synthetic events are React's cross-browser wrapper that normalizes event handling, making your code work consistently everywhere. Practice explaining this in your next mock interview. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.